So hey guys, so today I'm going to go over the 2021 Acura TLX. Now I love the design of it, looks great, the wheels I love, looks very aggressive, but I want to go over one area that I think you guys should know, and the one reason I wouldn't buy this car. And like I said, these are all redesigned, so if you bought one, you kind of learn what works, what doesn't. But overall, it's been a great car so far. But there is one issue with this car in the back here that I want to show you guys. If you guys are looking to buy this car, if you're curious, I learned this out after I bought it, but I want to go over it with you. So let me go ahead and open the back door. I'll show you. Okay, so it has to do with the back seat. Now, I have this booster chair for my son. That's the seat, how I drive at 5'9". So you can see here, decent amount of room. It works for us in this situation. Definitely not as much as the Honda Accord. It's where this car lacks, for sure. But again, not a whole bunch of room. But now if you're having like an infant that you need to rear face the seat, it'll almost touch the back of the front seat, as you could probably imagine. And then if you have the bigger car seats, like those Britex and all those, they stick out to about here. And so you can see the little bit of room left for their legs to dangle, probably like that much room just to dangle if you have those big car seats, if they're that age. So like I said, for the booster seat, it's fine. Plenty of room for us. You can see in the passenger seat, there's more room. My wife adjusts that to her and she's shorter. So I wanted to go over that with you guys, because if you're looking at buying this car and you have, infants anywhere from newborn to, I would say 4 or 5, that needs either the rear facing seats or the big car seats, it's probably not the best car for that, because it's pretty tight in the back with that. Like I said, the Accord did a great job utilizing the space, had a big back seat. This car does not. And you can see, like I said, for us, it's fine, because my kids are at the age where I don't need the big car seats. But if you're looking to get one of these and you need those child seats, either rear facing or you just need the bigger car seat in the back, I would shop elsewhere, only because it'll be really frustrating, because it is pretty tight in the rear here. So I just wanted to disclose that with you guys. Like I said, if you're in the market for one of these cars and you need that, I would go somewhere else. In that situation, the Honda Accord is a great value. Definitely still love them, of course. They're great cars. The back seat is unrivaled, I think, by many in that class. They do a great job in the passenger compartment. This car it's big. This car is a big car on the outside, but the interior dimensions for the passengers isn't the greatest. Like I said, we're not tall, so it works for us. I do like the cockpit feel. It's a lot tighter, kind of holds you in kind of feel. But like I said, if you're taller people and you need to utilize the back seat for like smaller kids, infants, toddlers, you'll probably be frustrated trying to fit those seats in this car. That's just my honest opinion. Other than that, I love it. I really do. Like I said, for us, it's not an issue, but for a lot of you out there, if you're wanting this car and you have a family, you might have to deal with that for a few years until they get into the booster seats. Like I have here, that can be frustrating depending on if you're buying it, leasing it, whatever. But you don't really want to get a car that you just have to deal with if you utilize the back seat frequently. So again, I just wanted to disclose that with you guys. Let me know if you guys are in the market for one. The new Integra looks really sweet. It's another nice car, smaller than this, of course, but I heard that the back seat is almost the same as this. So again, they do a better job, I think, in that car due to the size of the vehicle even. So again, I hope everyone's doing good, staying safe out there. I'll have another video coming up very shortly. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.